If you've ever felt stuck in a cycle of anxiety, this AI approach will expose the hidden traumas that are keeping you from moving forward. You know the feeling, right? That constant knot in your stomach, the racing thoughts that won't quit. It's like your mind is on repeat, replaying past events or anticipating future disasters. Well, what if I told you that AI can help you pinpoint the exact events triggering these feelings? Most therapy focuses on generic coping mechanisms but often misses the core issue, the underlying trauma. We often bury these experiences, but the AI will unearth them, and your emotional wounds will start to heal. Instead of just masking the symptoms, this AI method goes straight to the source, providing a personalized roadmap to recovery. Here's a great place to start: use AI-powered journaling apps to track your daily emotions and triggers. These apps can analyze your text to identify patterns and reveal hidden connections between events and your feelings. This is just the first step. There's a whole world of AI-driven tools for deeper emotional processing, like guided meditation. If you're ready to take control of your mental health, then subscribe for more cutting-edge insights into AI-assisted healing. Don't miss out.